Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy the DeAgentAI or AIA token on Binance Alpha. So AIA just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how. It's very easy. First, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box in the top here, and then you can search AIA, search AIA, IA, then search it. You will find AIA on Alpha, this one. You can click it, and this is the chart. So it's not really bad, I think. And if you want to see the details, you can click info here in the top, and you will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is good, almost 50 millions, and also there are 1 billion total supply. You can also check their website and their social media. So if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom, and then you can choose limit orders. You can put the price here, it's up to you. And also you can choose the amount here, and you can also choose instant. You can swap your BNB or other token to AIA. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.